YouTube. So here's the plan that I have in my crazy little head. So again, this is all stuff that we split with Toolcat and the Halverson HWP 150. My preference is a smaller piece. There are some good pieces in here, but again, we were on some bigger stuff going through a 6-way. So even if I catch some of these and just pop them once, maybe twice, just to get down to that really nice small stuff. So the silly idea I have in my head is, one, I want to try out the new support arm. And so what I'm thinking about doing is, if I can bring the log lift up, rotate this around, I can just reach into the bin, split it on here, and then let it go up the conveyor, and then we'll put a bag on the MT88 back there, and just kind of size this through, I guess. But so we'll get to show off everything: the rotator forks, the SplitForce, and the Firewood bags. So fingers crossed. Let's try this, see what happens. I cannot believe this snow. It's March the 10th. You'd swear it's December. This is crazy. Anyway, I forgot to look at the time on that video for, repurposing a tote full of firewood that we split with the Halverson. This is nuts. Anyway, the support arm works like it should. That's pretty awesome. The hydraulic flow on the telehandler for the auxiliaries, surprisingly, isn't an awful lot to actuate that cylinder over. I'm really surprised, unless I don't have something opened all the way, because we're doing like a diverter valve to go between the automatic coupler and the auxiliary switch, so something may not be fully open there, but I digress. Anyway, that's our SF1316, the upgraded version of an SF1116, just because of the bigger motor. I'm yet to hear the oil cooler run because we keep shutting it down within, 15-20 minutes or so. I do have like 7 more totes to go through that I want to do the same thing with, so more video on that to come, but I think I'm going to call it a day. I have some tools out that I got to put away because I wasn't anticipating a winter blizzard to roll through my video, so I'm going to go tidy up my tools and things. But in the meantime, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, would love to hear from you and talk to you and discuss your needs and what we have here for equipment solutions for you. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. For more information on the SplitForce stuff, head over to the website shaverequipment.com. Go to the equipment tab, go down to the SplitForce logo, and then you can see all 4 models there. We've shown a couple different prices and option lists here on different videos, so check those out. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.